In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings. When you're ready, scroll down to click on Google section. Over here. Now select All Services and scroll down again, this time to click on Autofill with Google. Choose Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Following that, you need to enter your login method. If you don't have any, you need to set it up in order to access your password. Last but not least, to make your password visible, click on this eye icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!